HOP as defense. Let the games begin. Penalty in the play. Gaining yards for the offense. And a gain of yards for Coutinho. What a gain of yards for the receiver number 6. Ball. Quarterback looking for a receiver. Throws it.
On the way. Backward. No, still running. What a gain of yards. First and goal for Coutinho. Minutes to go. Snap. Backwards to receiver. Great stop by the defense of HOP. Second down. Second and goal. Reaching out for Lafala. Quarterback running now. Still running. Was that a touchdown? Touchdown. Coutinho Ulafala. What a great run for the quarterback. Able to go all the way to the end zone. 6-4. Now add on to the board for Coutinho Ulafala. Coutinho going for 2 now. Wide snap. Taking it, goes it to the lineman, and scores. 2 points for Coutinho Ulafala, where we have 8-0. 8 Coutinho against LDE 0. Nine minutes, 28 seconds. Here comes Julio Silva and the Loli'i offense. Coutinho is now playing defense now. Snap. Joe taking it, throwing it long, all the way to number 7. What a great throw by Julio Silva. That was an incomplete pass for HOP, where we have second down. Second down for HOP. Oh, snap. Julio Silva keeping it, running, still running. First down. What a great run by Julio Silva. gaining yards. Third down. Third down for HOP.
Ready.
8 minutes, 10 seconds. There's a flag on the play. That looks like it's going against the offense of HOP. Offside. Receiver, number 7. Third down for HOP. Ball snap. So Yosefa looking for a receiver. They can move. Now running. And a great stop by Kuchinga's defense. Kuchinga's rusher was able to get back to the quarterback and take that flag away. Oh, snap. Yosefa, receiver, throws it. Intercepted by number 17, Ulakwala. Ulakwala all the way to the end zone. Is he making it? What a great defense by Ulakwala Kuchinga. Intercepting that ball. Now turnover down for Kuchinga. Here comes Patrick and the Kuchinga offense. Minutes, 20 seconds. Ball snap. Pat looking for a receiver. Is he gonna throw it to Arian? Arian running all the way to the end zone. Touchdown! Kuchinga Ulakwala. That another 6 points add on to the board. Kuchinga Ulakwala. 14 points. HOP 0. Kuchinga Ulakwala going for 2 now. Boy, snap, taking it. He throws it to, and that is an incomplete pass. What a great coverage by HOP's defense. 5 minutes, 51 seconds. Kuchinga 14, HOP 0. So Yosefa and the lowly offense coming back in. Oh, snap. Throws it short. Still running. Receiver still running. First down. Second down for HOP. 5 minutes, 25 seconds. Second down, HOP. Four minutes. What a game yards. 4 minutes, 50 seconds to go. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh, snap. Jojo Silva running with the ball now. Still running. Really great stop by Kuchima's defense. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Time still running. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Second down. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Three minutes, 35 seconds. Alright, snap. So Joseph going straight to his lineman. Lineman making moves. Still running. And there's a flag on the play. All the way to first down. First and goal for HLP. Two minutes, 59 seconds. Boy, snap. The receiver taking it again. Running. Stopped by the defense. Second down. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. HLP. Ball snap for Joseph. Goes it to his lineman. Lineman still running. Third down for HLP. Third and goal. Third and goal for HLP. What a great pass from Jojo Silva to Warriors, number 7. HLP now scoreboard 6-14. HLP going for 1 point. Going for 1 point. Jojo Silva dropping back, throws it. Trying to throw it to his receiver, but the receiver wasn't able to get to it. Therefore, 46 seconds to go. here comes the Futinga Ula Fellas offense. 46 seconds to go. Futinga Ula Fellas 14. HLP 6 points. He throws it long all the way to the receiver. Was he able to get to it? No. That is a no good for the receiver. That was an incomplete pass for the Futinga Ula Fala. 40 seconds. Seems like there's a flag on the play and gaining yards for the offense on Futinga. 13 seconds. First half. And that is an incomplete pass, and now we are heading to halftime. Halftime where we have Futinga Ula Fala 14 against HLP 6. Heading to the halftime, another update for our NFL game today where we have Houston Texans still at 12 playing against Kansas City referees Twins.
Real Short, Short Movie MTV.
I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA.
Kucing Ula Kala taking the lead 14 points. HOP still trying to get to Ula Kala with 6 points. Joey Yusufon, early offense with the 10 off. For the second half. First down. HOP.
17, 16,
And right through the hands of the receiver. Second down. No. Second down for the
10, 9, go 8, oh snap.
HLP Ula Fala defense trying to stop this play.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, ball snap.
That is last down. Fourth down. Fourth down, low V.
Third down, line against the 40, line against the 40.
Correction, third down. Third down.
18. 40 yards. 15. 14. 13. 5. 11. 10. Ball snap.
Goes it long, all the way to his receiver, and right through the hands of the receiver. What a great play, but the receiver wasn't able to catch that ball. Making it to his running back. Patrick going to
First and goal, guys, first and goal.
another gain as well for Ula Fala. Yeah, first and goal. First and goal for Puchinga Ula Fala.
20, 19, 18, 17.
To go for
20, 19, 18, 17.
That is a touchdown. That is a touchdown. HOP. Oh, it seems like 10 minutes.
First down, now. First down.
First down. He goes a long way too. Intercepted it again, right? Arian still running. Trying to get through the end zone and still running and drop down. What a play by the defensive Coutinho. Julio Silva was looking for his receiver. Throwing it long right through the hands of the tight end. Onto the hands of Arian of Coutinho's defense.
First down. 20.
3 minutes, 30 seconds. Patrick again. This is short to his tight end. Tight end, little move.
Second down.
Second down for HLB. 1 minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. Nice. And that was blocked by the safety number 18, Ulakwala. Third down, HLB. Was it for running it? Is he able to get to the first down? 45 seconds. And seems like
First down.
HLB
First down.
able to get to the first down. 30 seconds.
First down.
First down. Why snap? Pushes to his lineman again. Running. And great stop by the defense. Timeout. HLP. 14 seconds. 14 seconds left in this game.
One minute timeout.
As we are now in timeout. KC is now leading 24 points as the Houston Texans.
20 seconds.
The next game for the NFL will be the Commanders going against the Detroit Lions. Timeout. One more timeout for HLP. Ulafala still have 2 left. Time will start. Snap up the ball.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
Snap. Running. Is the drop. Ball. 10, 9, 8, 7, 9. Timeout for HLP. That was their last timeout. 8 seconds. Going for it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the end of our game. Congratulations to Utinga Ulafala with 28 points against HLP 6 points. Congratulations to all teams who have played this game today. Don't forget our next game will be Monday. Until next time.